What's going on, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in, talking about another product for the Audi SQ5. Today we're going to talk about this bad boy right here, which is called the HUD, heads-up display. It's an Audi genuine product. You can shut it off if you don't like it during the day, or you can turn it back on. And the minute you turn the car on, obviously it tells you it's an Audi genuine product. It's a touch screen, so it's see-through. You can check your fonts, pretty much the background fonts, and set up the parameters of what you want. I'll go through that through the app. And furthermore, it also is just a plug-and-play system that connects to the actual CAN bus wiring system behind the Speedo and its own unit itself that converts all the EEPROM information to be pretty much shown on the display itself. What I like about it is that you always have a field of vision right in front of you. It doesn't block you for anything, and I'm not stuck looking at like my navigation or basically being here and being like, oh my god, like, you know, where am I supposed to go? What's my speed? It's right there directly. Even though you can actually set it up, it's pretty nice compared to like my Mark V before I upgraded the cluster. But you know, obviously you guys, if you see my videos, you know what I'm talking about. From there, it's like I said, it's a plug-and-play system, so you can set up like your navigation and, you know, basically convert every information right there and go and set it up for success. And rather than having to look at this screen and look at that screen, you're pretty much set to go from there and have that set up. So one of the things that really just bites is that, you know, if your vehicle is lacking some sort of like you know, features like lane assist, like mine doesn't have a lane assist, that's an upgrade for another day. I know one of the members in Rostec has actually done it, so definitely stay tuned for that video when I actually get that project going. And adaptive cruise control, as you can see, I already have the stock ready for it. I installed that. Didn't make a video, it's super easy. There's a lot of stuff on the forum, so nothing hard about that in general. And then from there, it's sign recognition. We don't have that as well because lane recognition, or the DOT here in the States, has yet to approve a lot of the good stuff that comes from the other countries to be standard here in the States. So it is what it is, so I just take it at face value. And then with regards to the app itself, here's the app itself, and you can actually run Waze or Speedify. I only have Waze, which will show up. It's pretty redundant for me to play the same thing regarding, you know, where we're going. And like I mentioned before, you can set like the tilt angle, pretty much set it up to be auto brightness, or you can set it up to be brighter than you want. That's your preference. If you want it to be automatic regarding like kilometers or miles per hour, for the system to detect it itself from the CAN bus. As mentioned before, the background, you could select that itself, and then on top of that, like what can be displayed, the display content itself, and then the sign recognition itself, the speed limit, and, you know, it's unfortunate we don't have that here in the States. The system itself creates its own Wi-Fi hotspot, and that's how you pretty much control the system. Obviously, if you know how to run your Wi-Fi, you can definitely go from there. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, slick item that actually pertains to a lot of different models. It's not just limited to the SQ5. I don't know every single one. I know that I'm using currently an A1 wiring harness for this, which is not meant for this car, but it still works. The unit itself, like I said, the EEPROM system is, I think they're all tagged the same by Audi. And then the wiring harness is just the length of what it means to just install it, so it shouldn't be an issue. But to each their own, do your own research and figure that out. But I'm just sharing, and that's pretty much the information I'm giving you guys today. So I hope you like the content. Subscribe, let me know what you guys think. I'll go from there.